Okay, here it is, folks. It's December 25th, 1:19 a.m. or 1:18 on my camera. And as you can see, I'm on my computer, and my computer's taking its dear sweet time trying to convert my Christmas Eve 2008 Xbox 360 Elite unwrapping packaging. My stepdad has to work several more hours, so it was my mom's idea to unopen all our Christmas packages. So here's one. Have absolutely no idea why the heck I'm broadcasting yet another or filming this Xbox 360 Elite packages, since you find about, oh God knows how many of them on YouTube. But well, since my YouTube space could use a few more views, I thought, why not? You know, the game, like, I don't know, like a god awful number of them. So here we go. This is the bundle pack. It's practically recent, and hopefully it won't have the 3 rings of death on it. There's everything on it. I hope we can capture it. Here's the side of it. Here's the top of it. Here's the back of it, and here's the way bottom that just shows you all this data record and crap. Whew, this is a heavy son of a bitch. I'm gonna unwrap this sucker, like so. Or I'll just peel it off instead. It's not too sticky. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Maybe start here. Comencion Insigno. God, what country do you live in? Oh, here's. Excuse me here. I gotta adjust this. Hopefully you can see from there. Okay, I have a slight cold I'm recovering from, so hopefully I won't gag into the camera as much. Here's the box. Packaging cages. Kung Fu Panda. What the? Just a packaging wrap. Oh, it's a 2-pack. Well, what do you know? Indiana Jones Avengers. And on the other side, it's Kung Fu Prune Face. Kung Fu Pudgy. Yeah, I don't care for that one. Oh, here it is, the bastard. Oop. Oh yeah, baby. Here it is. Got a little sticker here. I'll just peel it right off. Exclamation paint. Do not move console with disc and tray. Oh gee, no duh. off. Yeah, I don't have time for it coming off. Well, here it is. 120 gigabyte mega drive. And here's the back of it. Speaking of back, my back hurts. Here's all of this cotton crap. Xbox Live, your little phony baloney characterization avatar, which we'll see a better avatar come next Christmas 2009 with the James Cameron in it, so I'll wait for that one. Need further assistance? Oh, it's just amplify your experience. Balance social experience. More Xbox Live crap. Advertisements. Home play. Oh, it's a big book. Ooh, I'm gonna have that one. I'm gonna have that one too. There's a remote. Boy, Bill Gates loves to advertise his crap on us. Volume 1 setup. Set to the warranty. So if you get the 3 rings of this, you can sue him. And here's the meat of the product. What are these? I think it's the HDMI cables, is it? I forgot. So sue me. Here's the controller. Wireless controller. These things can fetch for $50 retail price or $32 on Amazon.com. And why the heck these things sell more than Wii remotes, I have no idea, but they just do. Batteries, Energizer, I'll take rechargeables. Ethernet. Well, that is one big sucker. Whew. I can smell the plastic on that one. This thing completely move out. No, it just doesn't. Here. The headphones. I'll play this later. Power cord extension cable, I guess. HDMI cables. Of course, unfortunately, my 1080p television doesn't come equipped with HDMI plug-ups, but my HD DVD does. Alright, last one. Let's see what this is. Component cords. I'm gonna have to buy me another splitter because my TV does not have enough S-video / component plugins. Well,